Old school gaming isn't just nostalgia, it's a foundation. I'm Tenkar, and I've been rolling dice since 1980. I survived the rise and fall of TSR, the Satanic Panic, and a career in the NYPD's Internal Affairs Bureau. If there's one thing I know, it's how to spot nonsense, whether it's on the street or in a corporate RPG rulebook. This isn't just some other RPG review channel. Heck, the reviews are few and far between. At the Tavern, we investigate the hobby. We dive deep into the mechanics that matter, from the roots of BX and AD&D to the modern mastery of Shadowdark and Old-School Essentials. No fluff, just honest talk. When you subscribe to the Tavern, you're not just watching, you're joining the crew. We've got daily deep dives exploring the rules WotC wants you to forget. We have the investigative lens, breaking down the latest RPG scandals and industry news on a weekly basis on our live streams. The open table, a persistent game campaign world where you can actually roll dice with me. The heart of this channel is the Minions, a community of gamers who value player agency and creative problem solving over balanced encounters. Whether you've been gaming for 40 years or 40 minutes, you're part of the Tavern the moment you walk through the door. We've got new videos 5 days a week and live streams every Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and twice a month on Sundays. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join the conversation. Grab a mug, roll some dice, and best of all, welcome home.